Hello YouTube, this is Tagidos. Welcome back to another video. Today's video is all about unboxing a product that I got from Flipkart. Hope you like it. I think it's a charger. Yeah, it is an 18 watts charger, and hope you enjoy the video. So this is the package of the product. So let's just take it and I'll just rip it apart. You know what I mean? With the scissors. I got a good pair of scissors. I'll just cut this open. So yeah, I wouldn't say the packaging was that good because it was crumbled like this. Yes, and yeah, seeing the real main product is ta-da! Here's the product. It's got some barcode out there. Yeah, and I bought. Let me just take this off. Just like to be neat. So yeah, this is the product, and yeah, this is made in India, and it is a Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0. It has that feature, and it is universal. It has the universal compatibility, rapid charge, smart charging technology, high charging output, that is 18 watts, up to 18 watts it can deliver, multi-layer protection and premium design, and other specifications for those people who would really like to go into that. Yeah, it has USB output DC 5 volts to 3 amps, comma so and so, and it is protected for overload, short circuit, yeah, short circuit or over temperature, yeah, any of those incidents, and it can charge up to 4 times faster than a normal this thing 5 volt charger. And yeah, we got some barcodes. You can, yeah. So yeah, the main thing. Okay, so I need to cut this also. Yeah. Well, that was not a smooth cutting, I would say so. So yeah, so now the reveal. Okay, let's keep that there, and it's here. Why does the, what is this? Why is it crumbled? I don't know. So yeah, this is the thing. It's Ambrane charger. Yeah, you can see it. Just focus, focus, please, focus. Yeah, that's Ambrane charger, like the thing, the USB cable, and this is the giant, the thing. So it is Qualcomm Quick Charge, as I told. Nice decent packing. We got the details which was given back here. Yeah, you know what I mean. Yeah, if you want you can just see that again. Yeah, okay, so now, so yeah, that's the charger. I don't think I have anything to show you the proof. Actually, I've got a tablet that is actually out of charge. So as you can see, I can't log in, so I just keep there, like I just charge it for some time, and we'll see how much charge is like gained by the tablet. It's got a socket, and we'll just insert this thing. Yeah, it's sort of fitted just. And then just bring this thing here and we'll just insert that thing there. Yep. It's not going in. Yeah, it went. Yeah. So just turn on the thing. Okay. So yeah, it's charging. Let's just see how much charge there is. So yeah, it's 1%. And the time is, let me just get a watch. Yeah, and the time is, let me just show you, and it's 10:12. Yeah, it's just been 10:12. Let's see what happens when it gets like up to 10:30. Yeah, we'll be right back. It's 9:30, so let's check on the tablet how much charge it's gained. Oh, well, actually, it's 11 percentage. So yeah, it's 11 percentage. Wow. So within like 15 minutes, 10% charge. That's great. What more can I say? I think it's the voltage. Oh, oh my God, there's lighting. It's 11 percentage. I'm just on this thing. Like you can just see. Sometimes it can be deceiving and stuff like that. So yeah, it's 11 percentage. Actually blame my tab because it's actually been shut down for like 4 months or at least 1 year. But it's good to know that my tab is alive, and thanks Ambrane. And I like the cool thing. And I like kind of like the light that glows. Yeah, it's all good. Yeah. It's been a long time since I done a product review video. Actually, I would actually recommend buying this product because, as I told you, I think it's 1 year. As like it's been like 1 year since I've touched that or opened that tablet to be exact. And yeah, it's just for 279 rupees, 18 watts battery. So you can buy it. I think it's cheap. It's on Flipkart. I will share the link in the description. Yeah, just wanna get that. That's the noise from my tab. If you're wondering, it's a slight noise, but yeah. Hope you enjoyed this video. As I told you, like, share, comment, subscribe. I really appreciate it. And goodbye. Take care. Bye bye. Yeah. Sayonara.